Let's take a look at how to install the design niche. This video will demonstrate both a reveal edge installation and an installation flush with the tile. We'll start with the reveal edge. We have determined the location where the design niche will be installed. Blocking for the niche frame was prepared in advance and must be done in accordance with local building code. Keep in mind that the blocking should allow sufficient room to insert the frame and nuts. Measure and mark the wall in preparation to cut away the wall for the niche. For smaller format niches, the frame can simply be held up to the wall to trace around the flange. We will start by measuring the niche frame, and then we'll transfer the measurement from the tile line up and make another mark. From here, trace out the perimeter of the niche using a level. Take the niche frame and hold it up to check the lines and ensure accuracy. Cut along the lines using a utility knife and remove the cutout. Apply CurdyFix to the pre-installed wall blocking. This is to adhere the niche's foam spacers into place. The CurdyFix should be applied to all four sides. Install the foam spacers. Next, we'll set the depth of the niche. Again, for this installation, we are doing a reveal edge. Measure the tile, taking into account the thickness of thin-set mortar. Then, add your desired protrusion depth to this measurement. Adjust the niche to the desired depth. The frame has preset depth notches. The adjustable nuts have a raised side and a flat side. The flat side of the nut can be used to pick any depth. The raised side of the nut fits into the circular cutouts. Hand tighten the adjustable nuts on the frame to set the depth of the niche body. Once all nuts are set, check to make sure that they are all at the same depth. It's important that this surface is clean and free of any grease or other contaminants prior to the CurdyFix application in the next steps. Apply mild adhesive tape, such as masking or painter's tape, to the outer edge of the body of the niche. This is particularly important when installing the niche with a reveal edge to protect the visible surface from adhesive and setting materials during installation. Next, dry fit the niche to ensure it sits flush with the wall board and lines up correctly with the tile assembly. Apply CurdyFix to the front of the foam spacers. Install the niche onto the spacers, pressing it firmly into place. Make sure that the niche frame is flush or slightly below the surface of the wall. Check that the niche is level and adjust with spacers or shims if necessary. Use spacers that are flush with or below the wall surface, or modify them as such. This will allow you to continue installation without waiting for the CurdyFix to cure. Otherwise, wait for CurdyFix to cure before moving to the next steps. Next, seal the gap between the frame and body with a generous bead of CurdyFix. It's important to completely fill this gap, especially at the corners, to ensure a watertight seal. Use a caulking tool, popsicle stick, or similar to smooth the CurdyFix. Once the niche is installed, waterproofing connections from the niche to the wall can be made. Install the CurdyBand frame. Apply the mortar with the Schluter Curdy trowel, using the flat side of the trowel. Then, comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Place the CurdyBand frame over the niche. Embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Clean any excess mortar from the design niche. Once the waterproofing is complete, continue to set tile as usual, cleaning any grout or setting material from the niche as you go. The installation of the design niche with a reveal edge is now complete. Next, let's take a look at a flush edge installation. We've determined the desired location of the niche. Place the niche flange on the wall with a level and trace around the flange. cut along the traced lines and remove the wallboard. In this instance, we did not have blocking pre-installed, so we will need to add it in to support and bond the niche flange on all sides. The spacers can be used as a guide for positioning your blocking. Install the foam spacers to the blocking as previously shown using CertiFix. After cleaning, and with mild adhesive tape around the edge to protect the finish, set the niche face side down with spacers to consider thin-set mortar. Adjust the frame until it sits flush with the front of the niche and flat and even on the tile. Hand tighten the adjustable nuts using the flat side to secure the niche at your chosen depth. Install the niche in the same manner as previously shown. Follow with the required waterproofing around the niche. Once the niche is installed, set the tile as usual around the edge of the design niche. The installation of the design niche with a flush edge is now complete. Design niche is perfect for creating functional storage in showers, bathrooms, or any other area where style and efficiency matter, all while providing a clean, modern look.